All right, y'all. So as I was saying, everybody clean ain't the same as your clean. So here's the story. So I had the buyers and the sellers agreed to have the home professionally cleaned before closing. And out of the seller's control, because they're out of town, out of the seller's agent control or my control, everybody's trusting that this cleaning company is going to clean the home, which means touch all the appliances in the kitchen. They had a list of things they put on the invoice that they said they did. And when my buyers went through the house, it still had a pet odor. The countertops felt sticky. There was stains on the tile. And we recorded it, sent pictures to the selling agent, and he forwarded them over to the seller, and the seller sent the cleaning team back. However, this is the confusing part to me and my buyers. How you cleaning up and cleaning carpet with no water? Right, the water was off on the house. So the second time the cleaning team went back, they said they took buckets of water. However, we're still questioning, did you steam clean the carpet? And if you did, how? I mean, did you use a residential, regular, we can buy it in the store steamer? Or did you have a professional grade carpet cleaning machine? Either way, even after their second time going, the house still had the pet odor. It still does to this day. As of the date of this video, the house still smells like the pet odor. And I explained to my buyers, what you call clean, what I call clean is different. And this is why I strive to encourage my buyers, let's have the sellers set aside some funds for you to use to have the home cleaned by the cleaning team that you select, so it'll be done in a way that you desire for it to be done, because everybody's clean ain't clean to you, especially for me. And I want the home clean a certain way for my clients. And even when I have the sellers, I let them know, listen, everybody's clean ain't clean. However, let's do what, if you were going to buy this house all over again, what would you want that clean to look like? If that cleaning company you're about to use doesn't clean the home to a standard that would make you want to buy the house all over again, then that's not the cleaning team for you. And that is not the level of clean the home needs to be when we start showing this home to prospective buyers. So that being said, buyers, sellers, realtors, be open to negotiating funds to be set aside for the person getting the property to have that service done by a team or a group of people they choose. Heck, if they want to use the money and have a cleaning party, that's on them, but the clean will be to their specifications. It'll be their level of clean. All right, be sure to like, subscribe, and put in the comments about cleaning for you and any other topics that you want me to discuss on this YouTube. Look forward to seeing you soon. Peace.